If you're a fan of trap style hi-hats in your production, you're gonna like this trick. Here I got a hi-hat. So what I'm gonna do is go here to 16 levels. This would be on like velocity. And we all know about 16 levels tuning. We all know about that. Feature that a lot of people don't seem to know, ratchet. What this will do, your hi-hat play in different timing, different repeat rates on these 16 pads. First pad is going to give you just one hi-hat. Watch as I go around and if you're into trap style hi-hats, this is an easy way using ratchet in 16 levels. Alright guys, go to thecyclekid.com, support your boy like I support you. If you're looking for a positive group with like-minded individuals, join the MPC Family Facebook group. We would love to have you there. Peace.